How do I organize recipes for a pop-up drink stand? The best way is to keep every recipe on its own labeled card sorted by category and pair that with a simple binder or a shared digital folder so anyone working the stand can find the right recipe fast without guessing measurements or steps. Think of it like a recipe zoo where every drink needs its own little cage so nothing gets mixed up. Start by grouping your drinks into categories like lemonades, teas, coffee-based drinks, and specialty seasonal items. Then give each one a card with the exact ingredients, the amounts, and the steps written out in plain language. Something a lot of people do not think about is writing the recipe in batch form, meaning you write out how to make 1 gallon instead of just 1 cup, since that is usually what you're actually making during a rush. Another trick almost nobody talks about is adding a small taste target next to each recipe, like noting it should taste bright and a little tart, so whoever is mixing it that day can adjust if the fruit or syrup batch is a little different than usual. Laminate your cards or put them in plastic sleeves so spills do not ruin them, and keep a master copy backed up somewhere safe in case one gets lost or damaged during a busy event. One common mistake is only keeping recipes in one person's head or phone, which becomes a huge problem if that person is not there on a busy day, so always have a written backup that anyone can follow. Another issue is not updating recipes when you change suppliers or swap an ingredient, which throws off the whole taste, so make it a habit to jot down changes the moment you make them. People also forget to include prep time and shelf life on the card, and that small detail helps you avoid waste and keeps drinks tasting fresh. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.